Good morning everyone and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. This is Shrikant Chouhan from Kotak Securities, PCG Research. Three major factors are slipping out of the hands of emerging markets. The dollar index jumped again to 107.5. Brent is at $97 per barrel from the levels of 92.5, and the 10-year bond yield is again started trading between the levels of 2.85 to 2.90. Certainly it is not positive, and it will create or it will invite some selling pressure at current levels or at higher levels. Currently the markets are at 18,000 levels, and it is one of the longest stretches we are looking at. The market was around 15,200 levels. From there all the way it is at 18,000, so it's a stretch of almost 3,000 points in one go. We need to be cautious in the short term, but in the medium term, while looking at the broad-based activity, we need to be bullish. And if the market corrects to the levels of 17,650 or 17,700, then there it will offer a decent risk to reward ratio. Till then, we need to be stock specific. Broadly, we are of the view that in the current expiry, we are going to see the market to remain range between 17,700 and 18,200 on the higher side. For the bank Nifty, the important level is at 39,200, and below that 39,000 and 38,700. So these are the levels on which we are going to focus, as these levels are going to act as major supports. On the higher side, 39,900, then 40,200, 40,500. These are the levels on which we need to focus. We are expecting further more activity in financials in the near term. Also, if we go through with other indices, the Nifty IT index is moving up cautiously, but mid cap companies to do well, as the dollar index moved to the levels of 107. So we are of the view that we need to focus on the mid-cap companies for the next few days. And from the auto basket, I think there also we need to be a little bit cautious, as most of them are trading at their resistance level. But yes, if there is a medium to long-term view, then certainly we should be buyer in M&M. From the FMCG basket, we are expecting stock-specific activity, and for that again we need to be buyer on dips. Apart from FMCG, if we focus on few pharma companies, then their Ciplas and Pharma looks good. But from the commodities, there we are now going to keep a close watch, as the crude is again moving upward. So it will propel some activity in steel companies as well as in some oil and gas related companies. So there we need to focus with a trading point of view. Friends, that's all from my side for the day. With this, I am ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening us. Have a great day and nice weekend to all of you.